Very good. I'm glad to be here. See the future leaders. You know, some of us are already old. You see gray hair? We already finished. It's you who are going to be the leaders. It's you who are going to be protecting us when we are already not able to protect ourselves. And I'm really glad that you started on a journey to protect nature. Because if we don't protect our environment, then it won't be there to protect us. And it hits back badly. So I do hope that you don't only march, but you also practice good environmental protection practices. That is, you don't litter, you don't drop uvera here and there. You don't. There are very many things which I know that our brother Masembe, Uncle Masembe, is teaching you. Count on our support. We are going to be working with him. He's been looking for me, but I've been having a lot of things. I made up my mind last night because I wasn't sure of being here today. So I didn't want to commit, and then I felt calm. So I committed today morning. So I want to thank you. I want you to have fun. I want you to enjoy. I want you to know that as ambassadors of environmental protection, you have some of us behind you as leaders. Of course, very many things to do with the environment are complicated in terms of policy level, in terms of the legal aspects. But you see, what is very important is your contribution as an individual, okay? And don't say, no, someone else is littering, I should also litter. No, play your part. The moment you play your part, then you have made a contribution. And don't mind how small your contribution is. From walking to exposing bad environmental practices to planting a tree at home. How many have planted a tree at home? Wow. Wow. What about at school? Beautiful. What about a country in the village? Okay, that's you. Then how many of you have parents planted trees? Parents? Wow. Now, do you know what I advise you to do? Me, every birthday of mine, I plant trees. Last year, I was in Nyange Seminary in Wujike, where I planted 10 acres with Rotary Foundation. Okay? So every celebration you make, let it be a birthday, let it be having very good grades, let it be your friend having a birthday. The best way to do it is by planting what? A tree. And beyond that, the issue of littering, dropping plastic bottles here and there, as we sort out issues of the law, please keep up cleaning the environment. 520. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. So we need a song that is going to escort the Deputy Speaker to his car, and then the band.
Okwagala obutonde bwensi okukimanya nti kibakakatako ng'abaana okutwala obuvunaanyizibwa okukola ebintu ebitonotono bye basobola ng'okusimba emiti, ng'obutasuulasuula kasasiro, ng'okugezaako okuyamba ebibira byaffe okusigala nga weebiri mu nkole yaabwe gye basobola entono ya conservation. Era y'ensonga lwaki olunaku olwaleero tuzze wano ku KCCA n'amasomero agasukka mu 100 nga tuzze tukwasaganyize wamu okulaga nga ffe abaana nti ffe tuli beetegefu okusigala nga tukuuma Uganda nga yakiragala, nga tuyita mu masomero gaffe ne mu famire zaffe ne mu maka gaffe gye tubeera. Era tubadde ba mukisa okuba nti Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, asobodde okujja n'atweyungako n'ayogera eri abaana n'abaflagging off, ate era ne tukumba bulungi, ate oluvannyuma mu kumaliriza ate ne Minisita w'ekibuga ekya Kampala, Honorable Minisita Kabanda, naye najja n'aguggala bulungi n'alaga nti gavumenti nayo neetegefu okukwatira wamu n'abaana mu masomero gaabwe okwongera okubayamba okukuuma obutonde n'okukuuma Uganda nga ya kiragala. Tubalina amasomero mangi nnyo agavudde mu Kampala n'okwetirana n'emiriraano naye nga amasomero gano masomero ga kiragala. They are green schools okuva mu network yaffe ya Little Ones Go Green. Era twongera obbakubiriza mwenna nammwe abalaba tetukoma ku masomero gaffe gano gokka. Naawe oba olina essomero ly'omanyi oba olina nnyini essomero oba oli mwana ng'olina essomero ly'osomeramu nga naye olyagala efuuka green school, tutuukirire. We are always available ku mikutu gyonna eza social media. Mutusange mutuuse okusaba kamme tujje mu masomero gammwe tusimbe emiti. Era neebaza abapartner baffe abasobodde otuyamba. Abaana banywedde juice avudde mu Ona, aba Harris International, abakozi ba Reham batuwadde Ona, abaana ne banywa. Tufunye Gorilozi, tufunye Sam's Crisps, tufunye Tropical Eat Snacks n'ebirala bingi, n'amata aga Lato ne banywa ne bakuta ne bakumba bulungi. Era bagenda kuddayo ku ssomero nga bakubika vibe banyumiddwa ate nga basigadde bali committed okukuuma obutonde bw'ensi bo ng'emiti emito. Neyanza.